Welcome to 128 Loon Avenue, Barrie. In the south end, convenient to the GO train, a lot of amenities that are nearby. Shopping in the south end is excellent. It's got a double car garage, nice walkway going up. Let's take a closer look inside. Attractive stone walkway. Coming inside, it's got a big foyer, lovely staircase with white spigots. Looks really beautiful. Quality flooring. It's laminate flooring in here. And the front entry is in some beautiful ceramics. Access to the garage from the laundry. It has a lot of overhead space in the garage as well. Some lofts. There's two lofts where you can store kayaks, is what they have right now. All the details of this house are on my site, www.rossmare.com. There's a bookcase here built right in. It's a convenient two-piece. And access to the basement right here. Convenient two-piece, as I say. Dining area. And a living room. It's quite an attractive home, but it's also immaculate. Eating area of the kitchen. This is a brand new kitchen with a extended pantry here. Beautiful patio door, sliding door. It's a granite countertop, stainless steel appliances that are all high end. Even though this is a gas range, it does have the electrical hookups, so you could change that over. Under cabinet lighting, it's got the pot drawers, everything's soft close. It's quite a nice eating area here. I'm going to take a look upstairs. This is a gas fireplace, I should point out. Even though this is carpeting, it's in terrific condition. We'll start off with the master bedroom. It's got a double door entry into the master. There's 3 windows here. Quality ceiling fan. That's a walk-in closet, which I won't open up at this time. This is where I say hi. Please give me a call for more information about this house. Again, this is Ross Mayer, and my number is 705-715-4647. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs. They're all a good size. The bathroom has the granite countertop, under-mount sink. This is being used as an office, but it's certainly a bedroom and has a closet. And lastly, we'll take a look at the basement and, of course, the outside. In the basement, we have quite a large area, even though it's taken up right now by the sewing equipment. As you can see, it has pot lighting. It's beautifully finished off, very accurate drywall, pot lighting. Storage room here. More space at the end here. This is a sewing room right now. Got some nice cabinets because those were the original kitchen cabinets, so we'll make use of those. And this is a 3-piece bathroom down here. Now we'll take a look outside. Outside the back we have an area for the barbecue. It's all interlocking stone here. Beautiful gardens, as you can see. All fenced in. And this is a nice sized gazebo that would be included. Wonderful sitting area. So again, all the details of this house, including the up-to-date price, can be found on my site, rossmare.com, or you can give me a call anytime. 705-715-4647. Thanks for watching.